Bilberry, also known as European blueberry, is a fruit that has been used for various purposes. It has been used to help with diarrhea, soothe the mouth and throat, and even improve vision. Some herbal and dietary supplement products containing bilberry may have harmful impurities or additives, so it is important to check with your pharmacist for more details about the specific brand you are using. It's also worth noting that the FDA has not reviewed this product for safety or effectiveness, so it's a good idea to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more information. As for the daily dosage, it is recommended to follow the instructions on the product label or consult a healthcare professional. Bilberry can be taken at any time of the day, but some people prefer to take it with a meal to help with absorption. When taking bilberry, it's important to follow the directions on the product package and take it by mouth as directed. If you have any questions, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist. If you're using bilberry for diarrhea and it lasts more than 3 to 4 days, it's important to consult your doctor. Additionally, if your condition lasts or worsens, or if you believe you may have a serious medical issue, seek medical help immediately. As with any medication or supplement, it's crucial to use bilberry as directed and seek medical advice when necessary. It's important to note that serious allergic reactions to bilberry are rare, but it's crucial to seek medical help if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember that this isn't a complete list of potential side effects, so it's essential to consult your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not mentioned here. If you're in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, and you can also report side effects to the FDA. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, and you can also report side effects to Health Canada. Before using bilberry, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other issues. Liquid forms of bilberry may contain sugar and/or alcohol, so if you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, or liver disease, it's important to use caution. Consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. If you are pregnant, only use bilberry if it is clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's unknown if this product passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. Bilberry has been used for a variety of conditions such as improving vision, reducing inflammation, and supporting heart health. The typical dosage for bilberry extract ranges from 20 to 60 milligrams, taken 1 to 3 times daily. It is best to take bilberry with a meal to improve absorption. As always, consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new medication or supplement. It's important to be aware that bilberry may interact with certain medications, potentially altering their effectiveness or increasing the risk of side effects. It's crucial to keep a comprehensive list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this information with your healthcare provider. Never make any changes to your medication dosage without consulting your doctor first. If someone has taken too much bilberry and experiences severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call 911 or contact your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents should call their provincial poison control center. Always seek professional medical assistance in case of overdose. Make sure to keep all your scheduled medical appointments and laboratory tests. This will help in monitoring your progress and ensuring that the medication is working effectively for you. If you forget to take a dose of bilberry, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to check the storage information printed on the package before using bilberry. If you have any questions about how to store it, ask your pharmacist. Keep all medications and herbal products out of reach of children and pets. Do not dispose of bilberry by flushing it down the toilet or pouring it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it reaches its expiration date or is no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.